Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we'll continue with the problem part of 1 onto and bijective function. So the first question in today's class, show that f the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 nor onto. So we have to prove, we have to check the two cases. First one, we have to check whether it is 1 or not. ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 1 or not. First you are going to assume that if images are equal for some x1 x2 belongs to the domain. If images are equal, to prove it is 1 you have to prove x1 is equal to x2. What is f of x1? F of x is mod x alva, mod of x1 equal to mod of x2, correct? So this implies when you remove modulus sign, you know it can be plus as well as minus, right? So x1 equal to plus or minus x2. So this implies, is it x1 is equal to x2 always? Definitely no. When it is equal, when it is plus. If it is minus, it is not equal. So therefore what is the conclusion? F is not 1 artha aita helodu. Okay, next on to then on to check madodu. Take an element y belongs to the codomain alva, such that f of x is equal to y. Now this is actual procedure, but tell me here, what is the range of, you can use this procedure, not an issue. What is range of mod x? Because you know this, okay, you studied this in first place, so better to use this method. What is the range of mod x? Range of mod x is tell me, real set of all real number from 0 to infinity, positive real number, okay, not including 0, okay, not including negative number. Now what is the codomain of this function? What is codomain? Codomain is here R. So is it 0 to infinity is equal to R? No. So what is the conclusion? If the domain is not equal to codomain, range is not equal to codomain, then okay, every element from the codomain are not related to any element in the domain. So what is the conclusion? F is not onto. So what is asked? Show that it is neither 1 nor onto. Here we proved it is not 1, here we proved it is not onto. The next question, okay, let a is equal to 1, 2, 3, b is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, f is given 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. You have to check or you have to prove it is 1, okay, only you have to prove that this function is 1 function. So first try to understand the function, okay, it is given the different pattern. We don't know what is the relation between x and y, okay, so we know a and b, that is 1, 2, 3, b is given 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? F, okay, f is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is 1 is connected to 4, 2 is connected to 5, 3 is connected to 6. This is the meaning of, okay, representation of the function in this pattern. Now we have to check or you have to prove that it is 1. Hey, prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You cannot use a definition that f of x1 equal f of x2 implies x1 equal x2. Just observation. See, what is f of 1? The meaning of 1, 4 belongs to f means 1 is connected to 4 alva. Okay, what is f of 2? 5. What is f of 3? 6. Different input, different output. I hope you can observe that. Different input, different output. So you can write the conclusion that if the elements are equal, then definitely the images are equal, then definitely elements are equal. So this is a conclusion that f is 1 ಬೇರೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So just write the diagram, write this, okay, and show that as an observation, just an observation, you are not proving anything, that different input, different output. So it is 1 function. artha aita? Okay, I hope the first two problems you understood. Okay, fine. The third question, next two questions are important. See this, we have to check whether the function is 1 onto or bijective. So three cases we have to check. So function is f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x and the domain is R, codomain is also R. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 cases ಇದೆ, but if you verify that these two cases, third case is free of course for you, because you can answer the third question, okay, using these two cases. Okay, first we have to check whether it is 1 or not. So as usual, assume that images are equal, and then 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? If this is f of x, what is f of x1? 3 minus 4x1. So 3 cancel, minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Minus 4 cancel. So what is remaining? x1 equal to x2. Once you prove that if images are equal, elements are equal, no confusion, you can write f is 1 1. Then there is no confusion that f is 1 1. Now we have to check whether it is onto or not. Here use a definition. Okay, first take an element y belongs to the codomain. Okay, such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, that is f of x anile 3 minus 4x is equal to y. So minus 4x is equal to y minus 3. This implies x is equal to 3 minus y by 4. Simple, very simple procedure. Now we have to check whether this function is onto or not. Onto when this is belongs to R for all y belongs to R. Then for all y belongs to R, if this x is always real number, then it is onto. It is real number chance only when the denominator is 0 and if square root is present. Is it denominator 0? No, denominator is 4, so no, not an issue. Square root is not there, means real imaginary parts are not possible. So this is true always. Whenever it is true always, no need to give an example. So this is true means what? F is onto. Now first question is what? State whether the function is 1 1. Okay, done. Second one is onto. It is also done. One more is there, right? We have to check whether it is bijective or not. But is it bijective? Yes. Since what is the conclusion? Since f is both 1 1 and onto, right? 1 1 and onto. What is the conclusion? F is bijective. F is bijective. So it is 1 1. It is onto as well as it is a bijective function. The next question, the last question for today's video, same heading, we have to check whether it is 1 1 or not, onto or not, or bijective or not. Okay, the first case, 1 1 or not. As usual, assume that images are equal. If you assume images are equal, to prove it is 1 1, you have to prove elements are equal. What is f of x1? 1 plus x1 square, 1 plus x2 square, 1 1 cancel. x1 square is equal to x2 square. Take the square root. I hope you know when you take the square root, it will be plus or minus x2. So this implies, see, when it is plus, okay, equal. When it is minus, it is not equal. So it is not equal always. So what is the conclusion? F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. See, when it is plus, okay, fine, equal. But if it is minus, it is not equal definitely. So it is not always equal. So even if it is not equal to for one case, it is not equal. So it is not 1 1. Okay. The next one, onto. Same procedure. Take an element belongs to the codomain. Okay, such that f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? 1 plus x square is equal to y. So x square is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus square root of y minus 1. Now to say this function is onto, remember you have to check whether this belongs to R for all y belongs to R. If this is true, then it is onto. If this is not true, then it is not onto. If you are writing that it is not onto, you should give an example. See, whenever square root is present and the codomain is R, then remember most of the time it is not onto, because see, when y is equal to 0, 0 is belongs to R, right? What is the value of x here? Plus or minus square root of minus 1. Is it belongs to R? No. So it is not always belongs to R for all y. So what is the conclusion? F is not onto. Okay, first one is over, 1 1 is over, onto is over, right? One more question you have to answer, whether it is bijective or not. Since it is not both 1 1 and onto, therefore the conclusion is f is not bijective. F is not bijective function. So I hope you understood these 3 problems. Okay, very important, 4 problems. Okay, few more problems are there. Okay, from the same exercise we will continue next video. Thank you.